welcome to a video where we'll answer the questions like how does technology positively and negatively affect our lives? How has technology evolved? What must the human being to do obtain the best of technology? So without delay, let's get started. Today, technology has become an integral part of our daily lives. It is considered the main factor that has driven all the progress of society. The human being uses it to communicate in education, business, health, and even life comfortable. Technology has made our lives easier. Therefore, although technology is considered a great advance, but also seen as a danger. To continue, I'm going to show you how technology has evolved and affected human life based on 7 main aspects. So in the first, we have transportation. Technology reduces the time to move from one place to another and allows us to travel to any part of the world. However, pollutes the environment and generates traffic congestion. In the second, we have communication. Technology has facilitated the exchange of information and communication despite the distance, but reduces in face-to-face interaction that causes social isolation. In the third, we have education. Education has improved due to easy access to information, promoting self-learning in students. The problem is that causes distraction and health problems such as obesity. In the fourth, we have privacy. There is a less privacy because information is exposed to all people, causing spam, viruses, cyberbullying, sexting, and theft. However, companies have benefited from data privacy such as banks. In the fifth, we have human behavior. Technology develops personal growth, skills, and opportunities, but excessive use can increase in sedentary lifestyle and leading people to compare themselves with an ideal of life. In the sixth, we have science. Technology has allowed scientific advances that have impacted society, however, due to its evolution eliminate jobs. In seven, we have medicine. Technology improves the quality of life of patients. It reduces health costs, it promotes the development of new technologies, and helps early diagnosis. Well, we must learn to have a responsible use to be able to enjoy it without causing negative effects. First is set limits. It is the best to set limits and establish basic rules, for example, not to use the phone before going to sleep or during lunches and periods of study or work. The important is not to be codependent. The second is know what is used. Many times we use applications on social networks without carefully reading what we accept. The third is question privacy. How much information do you want to share with new technologies? This information can be used to commit crimes if it falls into the hands of the grown people. The fourth is distrust. New technologies mean new opportunities both of people with good intention and for criminals looking for new ways to commit crimes. With this in mind, it is advisable to analyze what type of technological product you are going to buy. For a reflection, technology is a tool that is very helpful for human beings. If we know how to use it correctly, we can get many benefits from it and we will make our lives more comfortable and easier to carry out day to day. In the future, when we have a job, it will be easier to carry out our functions within a company and it will be easier to keep track of our company or company in which we are working. If human beings become dependent on technology, we can have serious problems. Since may come a time when we cannot count on the technology and the work will be closer to us when we have to solve something where we used technology before. It is difficult to know exactly how fast we will advance in terms of technology, but we all have to adapt to all these changes. After all, the future is not just something that happens to us. The future is something that we create. In the self-evaluation of the class, I sincerely believe that I spent time preparing the tasks, perhaps not enough. However, I made a lot of effort. One of the aspects that I liked it the most about doing all the tasks was to find out about more topics, so I tried much as possible to find reliable sources, and I'm satisfied with the products I sent. I have developed writing exercises to present some deliveries. Perhaps in the future presentation I will demand more of my vocabulary, maybe more technical and clear to expression my ideas. And that is all. Thank you so much.